because with my last video, I said I'm gonna show you the Mac Mini M1 that I bought for my kids for their online study. So I'm gonna unbox it now, and hopefully gonna enjoy this unboxing video.
You're welcome.
Thank you, my daughter. There you go. This is the Mac
Mommy, what is
Mini
CPU?
CPU.
Is it
This is the computer. This will run everything like the computer. This is like the
Okay,
iPad, but better
so
than
far-
iPad or
my desk looks really cool.
yeah, but
Literally.
I think this is a small desk. So it's here. Oh, I'm excited.
If it gets
So I took the basic one, the base model, but I upgraded the RAM from 8 gig to 16 gig. So I was thinking probably I shouldn't upgrade, but then that's okay. Hopefully this will improve my kids' online class. What's this? Maybe manual. It says designed by Apple in California. And it came with a power cord, of course. There you go. And it says here again, where does it say the... Oh, it's gone. Oh, here. The Mac Mini. And this is a thing. Okay, please be careful. There you go. And this is the back. I'm gonna take this out maybe later on. So all I need to do is connect everything. Connect the Mac Mini M1 to this LG 27K. It's okay, baby. And connect everything and set up everything so my daughter can do her homework properly. Are you happy, Lara? Yeah? Okay, that's about it, folks. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons. Thank you. Hope to see you again on our next video. Bye. Take care. Stay safe.